trick with her mouth, nigga. Heard that bitch got a thing for them false nigga. Heard she be laying on them boy that floss nigga. I heard she can do some tricks with her mouth, nigga. What you do? I heard Richard, I heard Gucci, I heard what you hear? I heard, don't tell you know, I heard that bitch stay on her shit, so you know the whole lawyer. I heard that bitch got a bitch, come to find out she been lying, she from Florida.
Well, I say that's one hell of a lightning.
No, it's got a light. That would be bright, huh? Done deal.
Looking like 4 feet, 4, 6 and a half.
Should be loud. Extreme Auto Lighting, come get your work done. It's only $1,000 for this. All right. Here is the finished rear deck, all installed. Looks great. Harold did a great job as usual. Extreme Auto Lighting. Should be kind of loud. What do you think? I sure hope so.